In this video, I'm going to show you how to correctly select your CNC machine that we want to cut for this particular part. So once I hit the green check mark from the previous screen, it brings us into our machine setup. So right here, we can see we have what CNC machine are we wanting to run this part on. So I can hit the drop down and this will display all the different post processors that are located in your default install. And if you don't know where that is, that's can be pulled up right in your SolidCAM settings. But like I said, this will pull up all the different post processors that are in your database. So for this particular application, since we're going to use our infamous Akuma Multis, we'll go ahead and just leave it on the Multis right here. And one thing to remember is I can actually set this up as a default. So when I start a new mill turn project, it's automatically going to grab my multis for me, so I don't actually have to search through the entire list. So just wanted to show you guys the different CNC machines and how to select the correct machine for your part application. Thanks, and we'll talk to you soon.